Hey guys, welcome back to Dry Racing, and today I'm happy to announce we have a new partner for the channel, which is Shine Armor Detailing Products, and really happy to have Shine Armor on board to help sponsor the channel because with finishing up our third season of racing, bracket racing with the Duster, also adding a couple other events such as Six Summer drag and drive event. This is my drag and drive car, as you can see, and as you guys know, as we're making hundreds of passes down the track each year, it is really hard to keep your car looking really good getting down the track. So companies like Shine Armor really help keep the car cleaner longer, especially with the ceramic spray like we have here today. And with the drag and drive, going 500 to 1,000 miles, making multiple passes, it's really hard to keep the car looking really good the whole week of racing. So before we go into demonstrating how their ceramic spray works, guys, go down to the link in the description, use discount code DRAY20, Jeray 20 in the discount box, and get yourself 20% off your Shine Armor product. Now let's see how this works. So this graphene ceramic spray is good for a little extra protection on your paint. It's good for helping protect against like bugs, tree sap, maybe a little bit of road debris you kick up as you're traveling down the road. And it also adds a little extra shine after you get your car washed, and helps a little bit against like scratches. All right, so how easy is this stuff really to use? So they give you 2 microfiber towels with the product, which is really nice. Spray it onto the microfiber towel. And you wipe it down. All right, now that we got the hood coated, obviously you'll end up doing your whole car, but now we gotta let it sit for a few minutes and let it settle. So while we're waiting for the race car to dry, let's talk a little bit about the tow rig. This thing has been our tow rig for 2 seasons now, put about 11,000 miles on it. So it sees a little bit of abuse going down the road, a bunch of bugs and everything. So the ceramic spray will be a really great product for this too, to help keep some of those bugs off the front of the motorhome. So let's give this a little wipe. Now that we let it sit for a couple minutes, take our second microfiber that they sent us and kind of buff off the residue. And honestly, after buffing that out, the paint feels a whole lot smoother, and honestly, it shines a lot better. This paint, I've always loved the color and the way in the sun, especially the way it sparkles. And I'm going to be honest, I've never been real big into car detailing. I like to keep the car looking nice, wash it, wax it every once in a while. But seeing how easy this product was to use, and probably all of Shine Armor's products, I'm probably going to be a little more adamant about staying on top of keeping the car detailed looking nice, especially with the ceramic spray, because on our daily drivers, they take a lot of abuse going thousands of miles a year. So yeah, definitely well worth the money for this product. So back over to the motorhome. Oh yeah, super smooth, looks even shinier than what it did. I can't recommend this product enough. It really does. You almost feel like you can feel that layer of protection that it adds, and it does make it shine a lot better. Once again, I'd like to thank Shine Armor for coming on board and being a sponsor with us. So like I said, go down in the description, use discount code DRAY20, and save yourself 20% off this really great product. And also another way to help out the channel is I'll link in the description get yourself a Dre Racing t-shirt. So yeah, we really do appreciate everybody's help and support the last couple years, and really glad to have another sponsor on board. So guys, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.